Is the stock market crash part of a deliberate plan by President Trump? Today, we delve into the theories and facts surrounding this pressing question. Stay tuned to uncover the truth behind the market's recent turmoil. Section 1. The current market turmoil. Over the past few weeks, the U.S. stock market has experienced a significant downturn, wiping out trillions in value. Major indices like the S&P 500 have seen sharp declines, raising concerns among investors and economists alike. Section 2. Trump's policies and market reactions. Many attribute this market volatility to President Trump's recent policies, particularly the aggressive implementation of tariffs on major trading partners like China and the European Union. These measures have escalated trade tensions, leading to uncertainty in global markets. Section 3. The planned crash theory. A theory circulating among some Trump supporters suggests that the president is intentionally causing a market downturn. The idea is that by inducing a crash, Trump and his allies can buy the dip, purchasing stocks at lower prices before the market rebounds. Section 4. Analysis of the theory. Critics argue that this theory lacks concrete evidence and may oversimplify complex economic dynamics. While it's true that market downturns can present buying opportunities, orchestrating such a crash would require unprecedented manipulation and carries significant risks. Section 5. Historical context and predictions. Historically, presidents have had limited direct control over the stock market. Economic indicators, global events, and investor sentiments play more substantial roles. Some experts who predicted previous downturns caution that current policies could lead to a recession, but attributing this to a deliberate plan remains speculative. Section 6. Impact on the average investor. For the average investor, market volatility can be unsettling. Financial advisors recommend maintaining a diversified portfolio and focusing on long-term investment strategies rather than reacting to short-term market fluctuations. While theories about a planned stock market crash under President Trump are intriguing, it's essential to approach such claims critically. The stock market is influenced by a multitude of factors, and attributing its movements to a single individual's intentions oversimplifies the complexities involved. If you found this analysis insightful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on current economic events. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe in the planned crash theory? Share your opinions in the comments below.